future with cleaner cities, healthy oceans, and pure fresh air. It all begins with you, and it is achievable. In this video, we'll explore the concrete actions that every one of us can take to address climate change. Now, let's begin.
Now, let's talk about transportation. You are reducing harmful emissions each time you walk, bike, or use public transportation instead of driving. However, what if you must drive? Here's where electricity comes can help. We run on clean, renewable energy and are efficient. Thus, make sure you travel carbon-free on your next trip. Hey, that also means fewer traffic congestion if you like it.
Renewable energy concept. The game is being changed by geothermal energy, wind turbines, and solar panels. And you know what? Making the transition to sustainable energy doesn't need you to be a scientist. Installing solar panels on your roof or switching to a renewable energy source are two options available to you. Green is the future, and it's already
This one should go without saying. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Tossing that can recycle bin isn't enough. Though, it all comes down to making better decisions. Choose less wasteful product. Compose your kitchen leftovers and avoid single-use plastic. Every small alteration matters. That compost now will be appreciated by your future self. I promise.
The heroes of climate action are trees. It may surprise you to learn that trees cool our communities, absorb carbon dioxide, and purify the air. Alright, let's plant. The earth will breathe easier if you plant a single tree in your backyard or participate in a neighborhood forestry initiative. If you are unable to plant a tree, help those who are able to. Get the planet green again.
Another entertaining one. What we eat has an impact. Emissions in detrimental farming methods are reduced when we eat more plant-based food. However, it's not only about what you are eating. It's also about its origins. Encourage sustainable farming in your local farmers. It benefits both the environment and your taste sense.
Change can sometimes begin with a discussion. Advocacy is effective. Spread the word, go to local climate events, or support legislation that combat climate change. The impact of people coming together for a common purpose is unstoppable.
It matters what you say. Together, we can advocate for the necessary change.
Gestures aren't enough to combat climate change. Massive change is created by the small actions that add up. We are one step closer to a healthier, more sustainable planet. Whether we choose to buy food, plant trees, or support sustainable agriculture.
It begins with us, and the future is bright. Let's take action now to ensure better tomorrow. Because the possibilities are limitless when we engage as a team.